maundu maingi ndanona nie ndanenda kuragwo. You see, kurathwo guo na pistol guo kurathwo. So
allow me to ask you this, a very stupid question.
Where did you stay? At times nejugaga atiriri, I don't like asking that question because of my children, because those are gifts, they are blessings to me.
But you still could have gone with them.
But still, look at the process of the children, right? And it is also a process of God that I had to go through the process. It's a process.
Of anointing.
Yeah, processing of the anointing.
Oh my God.
You see? Yeah. It's easy to walk away, but unless God releases you to walk away, you cannot walk away. Because let me tell you, for gold to be gold, it has to go through that processing. And this life we pass through is a processing. Today, I hear my story from a bitter point, by the way. Me, I'm here to